Hey guys, so Cami and I have been singing a long time, and we decided we are going to start recording little blurps just to have them as documented stuff. This is just stuff that we do all the time, but we wanted to actually record them so you guys can listen to them whenever you want. Okay, so we're going to start with Amazing Grace. This is one we do a lot of funerals and, I don't know, different occasions, so it's just a pretty one. So we hope that you enjoy it.
Yeah. Do you want to start with the ooze?
Yeah, let's just start with the ooze.
Okay.
Do you have a tune? Good one.
Amazing grace, how sweet the